The Arkki School of Architecture for Children and Youth was founded in Finland in 1993 and celebrates its 25 years anniversary. Arkki is the leading institution in architectural education for children in the world. Architecture is a form of art, bridging humanities and sciences. Since architecture is intrinsically interdisciplinary, architecture education for children is an exceptional discipline to develop key competencies like the 5 C's. Complex problem solving, creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. Arkki's educational program thus enhances the essential 21st century skills needed for the future world of work. Architecture offers endless possibilities in STEAM education by holistically intertwining science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics through architecture activities. In Finland, Arkki's program has been approved by the Finnish Ministry of Culture as an extracurricular creative education program. Educational services of Arkki include a wide range of architectural courses, including workshops and short courses, as well as long-term, step-by-step, goal-directed education. The long-term Arkki program covers the ages from 4 all the way to the age of 18. In its field, Arkki is globally one of a kind. No other institute in the world offers as wide a curriculum in architectural education for children and young people. Arkki focuses on mediating architectural understanding and design thinking to children and youth, supporting the development of creativity and three-dimensional comprehension. In Arkki, children get to know various aspects of design, from envisioning small objects to whole cities. The objective is not to raise children to become architects, but rather for them to grow up with an awareness of and interest in the environment, and also to be able to make use of such knowledge in their chosen vocation. program fosters hands-on building, creative problem-solving, and 3D construction. It aims to develop personal creativity and encourages individual and collaborative learning. Arkki's exceptional pedagogical concepts inspire children to learn through inquiry learning processes and hands-on experimentation. Learning is made fun and rewarding. Arkki's phenomenon-based educational modules are designed so that everybody learns through success, positive feedback, and cooperative learning. Play, create, succeed is the essence of Arkki's philosophy. Since 2014, Arkki has offered instruction for children also in Greece, Cyprus, and the Czech Republic, working together with local partners. In 2018, Arkki will open in Vietnam and will expand throughout ASEAN markets in the following years. We at Arkki believe that architectural education gives children and young people the kind of knowledge and a broader understanding that enables them to take responsibility and to participate in the decision-making and building of our future environment.